Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I just bought this T5 Android 10 TV box. Okay, so before we do unboxing, let's go into the details and some of the pictures. So here. Okay, done. And then I bought this 129 ringgit, which is there's a few to 16 4 32 4 64. I bought 4 gig ram, 32 gig rom, 129 ringgit. Okay, so let's look into the details. That's it. Okay, so let's unboxing. Front box on the side, beside, behind. There you go. Okay. Okay. The other box. So I think this is the front. Okay, it's still in plastic. Still in plastic. This and tack in plastic. So on the side, you can see. Okay, and TF card, USB, one USB two, TF card. All right, and then below. Okay, that's the ball. And then that's in the box. First, the power plug. 5 volt 2. Okay. HDMI. It's the silver color HDMI. Okay, shoot. All right. Remote control. I'm gonna use AAA to AAA battery. The battery is not included. And then the last one, the manual. Android TV manual. I'll show you. Okay. That's it. And the rest is all other languages. I should show yeah, English only. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. I will do review on this Android box later on. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.